virtual digital assets, markets were trading lower on Wednesday on the back of the macroeconomic factors such as uncertainties around the US debt ceiling as well as talks of the global regulations of the crypto sector. Bitcoin dropped below $27,000 mark. If you talk about the IC15 index of cryptocurrency was trading down by 1.3% at 37,280 points. So investors will be watching for the minutes from the Federal Reserve's meeting earlier in the May, which is scheduled to be released later in the day. So keep an eye on this news. So interestingly, the UK's inflation rate fell sharply to a 8-month low of 8.7% in April. The rate of price increases slowed from 10.1% in March, bringing the inflation under 10% for the first time since August last year, reports have as suggested. Meanwhile, the crypto markets received a modest boon following the European Commission's willingness to moderate an earlier tough stand on the crypto and make it easier for commercial lenders to hold stable coins and tokenized assets. In yet another interesting piece of information, the Japanese government has decided to implement strict anti-money laundering measures to enhance its efforts against money laundering and illicit financial activities for the cryptocurrency transaction, and that's what the India has actually been doing. The global cryptocurrency market cap was around $1.12 trillion mark, dropping more than 1% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volume decreased by around 7% to $29 billion. In yet another news, OKX, the world's second largest crypto exchange by trading volume, has announced a new feature of a limit order functioning to its decentralized exchange. So this new feature makes trading easier and more convenient by removing the need to keep track of open positions in the real time, analysts have suggested. Additionally, Litecoin is gearing up for its LC20 halving event, which is slated for August 10, 2023. According to data from the sentiment, this halving event could actually include significant changes in Litecoin's price supply as well as its demand going forward, analysts believe. If you talk about the other US stocks and futures, were trading lower as investors focused on the debt ceiling negotiation. That's what we have been highlighting since the time this news has come. Futures linked to the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell by 131 points or 0.4%. S&P 500 futures declined by 0.35%, and Nasdaq 100 futures were trading lower by 0.25%. And we spoke to Mr. Utpal Chakraborty to get his perspective on the virtual currencies, and let's listen in what his view is all about.
Market is quite up now for all the coins, and I think there are a lot of events lined up, and I think there will be a positive impact of those events in the market, especially on the artificial intelligence if you look at. So after the generative AI and ChatGPT things, there are a lot of positive impacts that is happening in the market, in the Web3 world also, and in the Metaverse, because Web3 is again powered by artificial intelligence, and there will be a lot of generative AI used in the Web3 and Metaverse world. So I can see a very positive vibe that is going on in terms of the market, in terms of the coins, and in terms of the different events that are lined up and happening. And of course, artificial intelligence is playing a major role. The adoption is going really great, and I'm expecting in the next 2 quarters and the coming years, there will be a huge adoption of AI, generative AI, and all other things there. And same goes for Web3, Metaverse, and other things. So that's what I can see. It is a very positive sign, by the way.
All right, thank you so much, Utpalda, for giving your perspective about the cryptocurrency market. The world's largest cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, was trading at $26,723, down by 2%. According to the data from Glassnode, Bitcoin daily transactions have skyrocketed to an all-time high of 682,000 this month, almost 40% higher than the previous peak of 2017. If we talk about Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 2.3%, trading at $1,814. If you talk about the other altcoins on my left, is Binance BNB was down by 1.5% at $308. Solana Sol was down by 1.8%. Recently, the ChatGPT plugin has been integrated into the Solana network. Keep an eye on this news. The plugin currently is being used to buy NFTs, transfer them, decipher public account data, as well as local NFT collections on the Solana by floor price. And this is something which is driving the prices higher. Next on the list was Cardano's ADA token was down by 1% to trade at $0.36. Avalanche FX was trading at $14.4, lower by 2.7%. Polygon Matic was trading down by 1.6% to trade at $0.86. Doge, the popular meme coin as we say, was trading down by 2.7% at $0.071. Shiba Inu was trading down by 2%. And last on the list is Ripple's XRP token, which was trading at $0.45, down by 1.4%. And Polkadot was down by 2% to trade at $5.3. Now let's move on to our technical analyst, Mr. Ashish Bondele, for his technical views on the crypto markets.
Currently, Bitcoin is consolidating below the neckline of a head and shoulder pattern. A breakout is expected to occur in the near future. But as of now, there isn't much to do in the market, and it's advisable to wait for further price movement before taking any action. But the support level is same around $25,200, and there is a possibility that the price may test this support level before making its next move.
Thank you so much, Ashish, for sharing your technical perspective view. That's all there is in today's Coin Minute. This is Manoj Dara signing off. But keep watching 3.0 TV for more such fundamental analysis and technical analysis updates from the markets expert. Thank you.
We will keep you connected to the evolving world of NFTs.
For accurate and latest updates of cryptocurrency markets and global regulations.
Metaverse and Web3.
3.0 TV covers the latest crypto crimes.
Keeps you updated about the global crypto events and exhibitions.